Good morning, guys. Welcome to an overview of the SPY, the S&P 500. This will affect all of your crypto positions. It's also going to affect any calls or puts that you currently have open in the market or you're possibly looking to get into in the market. 6 bullish signs, guys, honestly, that I do believe we're going to see a crypto turnaround here pretty soon. And I could even go over this on Bitcoin, Ethereum later in the week, okay? But I want to go on the SPY right now and show you guys what I'm seeing here because I think this will affect crypto greatly. Real quick, guys, we ended up coming out with version 3.0 of the TC Top and Bottom Finder, but we ended up coding in a proprietary algorithm for a non-repainting script. Now, we went on the 1 second time frame, showed you guys how it doesn't repaint, it's matched to alerts, but we added just a few extra things in there just to make the script, honestly, the best script that we can possibly have. It's over 500 lines of code. And I'll show you guys in the second half of this video, I want to do analysis first of how to get our new indicator literally 53% off, $400 off. If you guys want that today, I will show you guys how to get all these and we'll go into that. But first, how do you get the newest version if you've got it on your charts? Everybody click the indicator, delete it, save your chart, come over to indicators, go down to invite only scripts, click on the indicator, and then go ahead and save your chart again. If you guys open this and you see label distance, that is one of the new features we have and we shared with you guys on our membership of what that actually does. It basically just moves these labels over to the right and the left a little bit more to give you guys more flexibility. I'll just geek out real quick and show you, and I want to dive into this analysis. So 10 will move it over to the left more, 40 will move it over to the right more. All right, awesome, guys. Let me take this off here because I want to get our charts clean, and I want to jump into today's analysis. This is going to affect everybody's crypto positions as well as your calls and your puts in the market. Let's dive right in. First bullish sign that I see in the market. We're going to start from the bottom and work our way up here. Trend exhaustion. Okay, trend exhaustion shows the actual structures of crypto, stocks, or Forex if they are overextended to the upside or if they are due for a move back up because they're extended to the downside, all right? First sign I see here is trend exhaustion is very low. I like to come over here and just simply bring my eyes to the past historical data. What has happened when we've come down here before? We can see that when we've come down here and we've come down here, let's go straight up here. We can see we did actually see a little bit of a market reversal here and we saw a little bit of a move up. Okay, that's just one point of data. Let's continue. The second point of data we can see here if we move up here, it's actually, sorry, it was over there just a little bit to the left here more. Let me go like this so you guys can see this. We'll do lines all the way up. We can see over here that we saw a little bit, say it's at the bottom, a little bit market reversal, then a jump back up. Okay, let's take that into consideration. Let's keep moving over. Let's take a look at this. This did show us when we were at the bottom here, we could be seeing moves back up, and we eventually ended up seeing that move back up. Great. Remember, use these in conjunction with the other indicators. You want the best metric to call tops and bottoms, like literally the tops and bottoms, use the top indicator, but use this as confirmation. So definitely, because trend exhaustion is low, the structure of the overall S&P 500 is very low, and by nature, this is actually a very bullish sign. I would have to come out on this chart and tell you guys it's bearish if it was up at the top, because when it's at the top, what happened? The market dropped over here. When it was at the top over here, the market dropped. When it was at the top over here, the market dropped. All right, when it's at the bottom down here, we saw market reversal. When it was at the bottom down here, we saw the market reversal, bottom down here, looking for that market reversal. Okay, interesting, right? Let's come over here. Let's take a look at price versus well money flow. Price in pink, well money flow in green. As well money flow starts moving out of the market, you must understand that institutions oscillate their money. This is very simple, but I'm explaining this to you guys. When the market's going up, this means the institutions and the big whales, they're buying. Because the market's going up, they're buying. But they oscillate their positions as well. What happened up here, we got very high with well money flow. The overextension in the market happened, hitting a liquidity pool for long trades. And you can see here, money actually flowed out of the market here for the bigger transactions while price moved up, abandoning retail traders to the upside, which is part of the reason why I think we have dropped so fast and we've kept dropping here. Okay, this is a lot of people up here who went long who are just losing out on all their long positions or their what's called calls in the market, and they're hitting their stop losses, forcing this market to just go lower and lower and lower. You could have spotted this market reversal and saved yourself, or actually made a ton of money if you guys put puts in the market. You guys would have made a lot if you saw this divergence right here. So when we're down this low, I like to look in the past historical data, what has happened back in the times when we've been down this low before. Well, we've seen a market reversal here, and we saw a market reversal back here. We saw the move up, and we saw the move up. Overall, well money flow being this low tells me and shows me from historical data, price versus well money flow, since this is low, this is where I'm looking for institutions to come back in and starting to buy this back up. Okay, there's more bullish signs here, guys. That's not it. Let's go to the third one here that I see. The third one is what's called a descending channel. Descending channels are bullish in nature. If you take a look at this descending channel here, this broke to the upside. Descending channel here, it broke to the upside. A descending channel here, which is a far wick down, that broke to the upside. It's actually more of just it's more of a descending, broadening wedge pattern over here, but this did break to the upside. We can show you this right here. This is a descending channel, broke to the upside, all right? Descending channel patterns, I know they look, very bearish because the nature of them to form is bearish, but it's actually a very good thing for a market turnaround because this usually looks to break to the upside. If you guys look at the technical analysis of this, you can see this if you look at it anywhere. So a descending channel pattern is actually very bullish in nature in cryptos, stocks, and Forex. All right, let's go to number 4 here. 4, we have a green bar down here on the TC market reversal. So this is showing us that out of all the retail trader indicators, we kind of shoved them all into one indicator because I wanted to kind of keep an eye on what retail traders are looking at. And I can bet you guys if you pull up your RSI, stochastic, MACD, MFI, all those indicators, you're going to see them at a pretty low point. So I'm actually watching retail traders, engaging their sentiment. They're probably looking for a market reversal as well because they're so stinking low. And we can see here when we got this low before, we actually ended up seeing that the market was basically bottoming out and we started to see a market reversal back up. Okay, interesting enough, the time over here, this actually pretty much called the bottom before we started seeing a move back up here. This had a little bit overextension in the market, so just going to keep all the analysis honest here. Saw a slight move up, but not as much as people probably thought. But overall, we have to take this into consideration, guys. We do have a green bar, so we have green bar down here, and this is honestly a bullish sign. Okay, I'm going to fly through the next two because I want to show you guys where to get the indicators and all that, because this is really what you guys need to be doing every single day for technical analysis. We came out with the last 2 times on crypto, we were able to call the move up and the move back down to specific line descending lines where we were able to use this exact analysis. It's working really, really well. Okay, number 5 is a Fibonacci retracement. This is huge, guys, in the S&P 500 and the overall markets if you're looking at retracements. The S&P 500 loves to move in 50% Fibonacci retracements. Check this out. If we take a look at this, we pull the low and then we pull the high here. We can see that this market dropped. It almost moved exactly into the 50% Fibonacci retracement zone, and then we saw the move back down. Let me show you guys more proof of this in the market. If we take a look at this and we look at the low, and we look at the high here, very close to this turnaround, we ended up seeing a stalling period in the S&P 500, not exactly there, but very close to it, and we ended up seeing the move back down. Okay, let's take a look at this here. We have the low, and then we've got the high, and exactly in that zone there, we saw the S&P 500 hit this and move straight back down. All right, where are we looking right now? If you take the high and you take the low of this trend, you guys can see it right here. We are smack dab in the middle of a 50% Fibonacci retracement, which the S&P 500 loves to move in these patterns, okay? So we're going to come over here and we're going to put a 50%, we're going to do Fib retrace. And this is honestly very bullish by nature of the pattern, not only just with crypto coming back down because we're going to possibly see a move back up with descending channel and everything else here, but a 50% Fibonacci retracement is where a lot of people like to look to getting back into the market because overall the structures really like to come back down to a retracement of 50%. All right, the last thing here, guys, and we'll wrap up this video. What's the last thing you guys need to know? You need to know about this green line here that we coded into the TC top and bottom finder. This green line down here is looking for support in the market. I'm gonna get this a little bit bigger so you guys can see where the green line is. See how it's right here? It's hard to see it because the price is honestly getting very close to it. What I've observed in the past is when we come down to liquidity pools, or when we come down to this area where this green line is forming, we are seeing pretty nice correlated bounces back up in the market. So I am looking for this to honestly be another bullish sign that we could be seeing and move back up here pretty soon. And this is what I'm gonna call this the green line support, okay? And this is going to be on the TC top and bottom finder. And this is bullish as well. So we're looking at 6 bullish signs in the market that honestly, I believe the S&P 500 is going to see a move back up here pretty soon. It probably even, I would say with this analysis here, we could be seeing by Monday or Tuesday. Remember today's Thursday and Friday, markets close on Saturday or Sunday. I would say by even Friday or going into Monday and Tuesday, I would say we'd probably going to see a little bit of a market reversal back up here and actually regain some ground in the market here, okay? Do this analysis every single morning, guys. Okay, I'll do this quick because I know you guys, it's a long video. Here's how you guys get this indicator. Come over to indicators. There's a link in the description. The bundle pack down here is 82% off. I've got something highlighted here. You guys are going to get the trend exhaustion and the price for swell money flow with the bundle pack, as well as 7 other indicators. There's a total of 9 indicators. in the bundle pack. You guys will get that lifetime access, source codes included. Awesome. But here's the most awesome part about this. Everyone who has or everyone who is purchasing the bundle pack today, you're immediately at checkout going to get a 53% off coupon code in the form of a PDF. It's going to be called Surprise Gift. That 53% can be immediately used today on the TC Top and Bottom Finder. Okay, and it comes with the free indicator of TC market reversal. It's cheaper to buy the actual bundle pack and then purchase the top and bottom finder than to actually purchase the top and bottom finder by itself. You're going to get 11 indicators instead of 2. And that is the best deal we got going on for you guys. And I want you to take advantage of this. So please remember to use that coupon code once you get the bundle pack, okay? Last but not least, we are calling scalping trades out. And with this market low and with this assessment that I showed you guys today, I do believe we're going to see a market turnaround. So be watching for me to call some possible scalping trades here in the next maybe 1 to 2 days, maybe even today in the market. So watch this, guys, very carefully. All you need is simply a membership over here. If you guys go to pricing, you guys can come over here. It's just $75 a month. I'll call this out for you. 440% more than the S&P 500 that we're actually talking about today. And if we honestly, guys, come in here and look at this, the S&P 500 is down about 18%. So we are well over actually pushing over 600% more than the S&P 500 if you actually correlate it to how much we're down. I'm just using a 10% average per year. So we're probably like 550 pushing close to 600% more. Like, that's pretty crazy, guys. We're calling all these trades out for you, as well as you get this metric, honestly, on the daily time frame. You can check this every single day on all of our cryptos, as well as you can check it on our stocks as well. I truly believe we have a really good system set up over here. And when you see people, coming out and putting these testimonials, I'll land this video here, I promise, with guys coming out saying, hey, I honest with you guys, I used leverage. He told us that. He made 450% on his trades using our indicators. This guy down here is like, the new indicator is amazing. Get it now. Just get it. This guy down here, he bought the indicator. He made his money back within 24 hours. This guy down here, he's like, hey, Travis, I'm back. Just letting people know I'm making above $1,000 per month with your indicators easy. Trend exhaustion and price per money flow are my favorites. Those are the ones that are down here. And this guy literally is coming out and he's sharing with you guys. He's like, look, I'm making over $1,000 per month with the indicators. It's pretty awesome. Sweet. New indicator. Got up yesterday and have already made my money back. Going for a quick win today on CHZ. These guys are buying. They're making their money back. It's been awesome to see this. If you're trading crypto, buy this immediately. It is very easy to use and understand. We are not paying anyone for this, guys. These are literally honest testimonials we have coming out. So enjoy this, guys. Get it in the description. Make sure you're using your coupon code. So buy the bundle pack first, 82% off. Then use the 53% off coupon code to buy the new indicators. That is the best deal. And let's roll into fourth quarter and crush these markets, guys. We are doing very, very well with our scalping, and I'll call all these trades out for you with the membership. Indicators, membership in the description, guys. And let's go into this week. It's in this week, actually, guys, with a bang. All right, we'll see you guys later.